As you know from the tons of internet ads, there are tons of DIY ebooks, individuals, and companies that offer credit repair services. But we distinguish ourselves in the credit repair industry by helping our clients create income from their excellent credit as opposed to just getting a bunch of credit cards to make purchases and rack up debt. For us, repairing your credit is just the beginning. The next thing we do is build your credit profile so that you qualify for more credit with higher limits. It is at this point that our combined 20 years of experience in financing really pays off. Our personal financing service limits those pesky, credit score crushing hard inquiries while maximizing the number of high limit approvals. But those high limit approvals are just debt, unless you have strategies in place to use that credit to create multiple streams of passive and active income. This is where A.N.D. Direct LLC truly distinguishes itself in the market. Our founder is a financial consultant by education, trade, and training, so he has researched and developed multiple programs to save, invest, and build businesses. This ensures that your debt is always serviced while you make a profit every month, every quarter, and every year. We also have partnered with CPAs and tax consultants to minimize your tax burden as well. Ask about our BOSS program. Every client will have a customized income, accounting, and tax strategy that will also change year over year depending on their goals. We also offer ways in which clients can aggregate their funds to take advantage of larger investment opportunities. We will always help your company go public with private placement or public offering of your company's stock through a brokerage firm. Although we are not stockbrokers, CPAs, or tax attorneys, we serve as the general manager, coach, and quarterback for a team of professional players that execute the plan we create with you, the owner. So while achieving excellent credit is nice, necessary, and there are millions of companies that offer a service to get there, A.N.D. Direct understands that good credit is merely the beginning of a journey towards financial freedom. A journey we are more than qualified to guide you through. If you're ready to achieve excellent credit, multiple streams of income towards financial freedom, make an appointment with one of our consultants today. Call us at 330-576-5425. Our consultants will go over your goals, plans, and options, then start repairing your credit the same day. A.N.D. Direct, your partner in the new economy.